Every year, it feels like life is getting more expensive, but your paycheck doesn't stretch any further. Groceries cost more, gas costs more, rent and mortgages are climbing, inflation keeps rising, but your income feels stuck. Maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck, tried side hustles that fizzled out, or working long hours in a job you don't even like. If that's you, keep watching because I'm about to show you something that could change everything for you financially. Even if you failed before or feel like you're out of options, by the end of this, you'll understand exactly how ordinary, everyday people are creating daily income online in just 2 hours a day and why you don't need tech skills or prior experience to pull this off. Imagine this. What if you could set up a business in one single day, plug into a supportive community immediately, and follow a step-by-step recipe that shows you exactly what to do next, so that within a week, you could be on your way to your first online sale? That's what I'm going to break down for you here. But first, let me share why this matters to me personally. I spent 10 years as a monk, living a life of simplicity, service, and peace. When I returned to the working world, I spent 5 years in corporate America, doing the 9 to 5 grind like everybody else. Then in 2021, I got an email saying our pay was being cut in half. And we had 3 weeks notice, 3 weeks to either accept it or leave. That moment shook me. It taught me that no job is really secure. Relying on one employer for your entire livelihood is one of the riskiest moves you can make. I tried different online ventures. Most of them didn't work until 2024, when I found a blueprint that finally made sense and actually worked. Here's the truth. The system I discovered is a done-for-you digital business. You're not inventing products. You're not dealing with suppliers. You're not guessing what to do. You're reselling high-value digital programs that come with master resale rights. That means when you make a sale, you keep 100% of the profit. One sale and the money goes straight to you. Not a percentage, not a commission, not a small cut like you see in other business models. Let me explain how it works step by step. Day one, you set up your business, the website, the products, the automation, all done for you. On day one, you also plug into the community where there's daily mentoring from a millionaire mentor and weekly live training sessions with 6 and 7-figure earners who actually show you how they built their businesses. You're in business for yourself, but you're never building it by yourself. That alone is game changing because most people quit when they try to do it alone. You'll go through the launch to profit training. This is like a recipe. Just like you follow steps to bake a cake and the cake comes out perfect, this training shows you step by step exactly what to do so you can make your first sale, usually within your first week. It's beginner friendly. Even if you've never done sales, marketing, or anything online, we teach you how to start a social media account from scratch, how to post your first piece of content, how to post your first ad, how to grow an audience with no followers. Then comes the 2-hour workday. And here's where the magic is. The 2-hour workday is built around 3 simple income producing activities: posting 3 pieces of content a day to social media, going live on social media, or copying and pasting free ads to high traffic websites, and replying to messages and emails from interested people. That's it. Add in plugging into the daily millionaire mentoring training inside a community, plus weekly live sessions where you get real-time answers from 6 and 7-figure mentors, and you're set. The best part, the automations do the rest of the work for you. Once your system is set up, it follows up with leads, sends emails, builds trust, and closes sales, even while you sleep. That's how people start experiencing sales coming in at night or while they're at the beach. Now, let's talk about why this model is different. Affiliate marketing, you make a small percentage of someone else's sale, like often 10 to 30%. With this system, you keep 100% profit. Multi-level marketing, you're stuck with uplines, downlines, and pushing products on your friends and family and cold messaging strangers. Not here. Drop shipping or Amazon FBA, you deal with inventory, warehouses, shipping headaches, and razor-thin margins. With this, it's digital, automated, no physical products, and no customer service. Trading or crypto, high risk, no guarantees, and it requires you to sit in front of a screen all day. This system is simple, predictable, and designed for beginners. The digital programs themselves don't just give you something to sell, they also teach you the very skills that allow you to create your own offers, build multiple streams of income, market like a pro, and become the CEO of your digital life. Imagine if you learned how to attract a daily paying customer at $900. That's $900 a day, $27,000 a month, $328,000 a year. Imagine what that could do for your life. Pay off debts, take your family on vacations, leave your job, fund your retirement, buy back your time. That's what we're talking about. So let me ask you, what would it feel like to wake up, work 2 hours from your phone, and then spend the rest of your day however you want? That's the dream destination here. Freedom, time, impact, memories, peace of mind. And that's what this business makes possible. I invite you to check out the link in my bio, grab the free PDF guide that walks you through how this works. Make sure you use your best email so you actually get it. Take a look at the business overview, and if you have any questions, reply back. I'll see them. Here's the thing. Most people stay stuck because they overcomplicate starting a business. They think it takes massive investment, tech skills, or years of struggle. That's not true anymore. This is designed for people who are brand new, people who want to build around their schedule, people who don't want to hassle with ads, paid ads, or cold messaging. We use attraction marketing. You post content, you go live, or you copy and paste ads to free platforms, free ads to high traffic websites, and people come to you. It's simple, duplicatable, and proven. Let me give you another way to look at this. Think of mentorship like sports. You can try to learn basketball on your own in your driveway, or you can train with someone who's already played at the NBA level. Which one gets you better faster? That's what the community provides. Daily mentoring from a millionaire mentor, plus weekly live sessions where you get coached by people already making 6 and 7 figures. That's like having a personal trainer for your business. It keeps you on track, accountable, and growing. Being an employee versus being an entrepreneur is like renting versus owning. As an employee, you're renting your time out. You'll never own it. Someone else decides what it's worth. As an entrepreneur, especially with a system like this, you own your time, your profit, your future. That's the shift, becoming the digital CEO of your life. Some of you might be skeptical, thinking, is this really possible for me? I get it. I used to feel the same way. I doubted myself. I doubted the system. I doubted if I was capable. But when I finally trusted the process, followed the step-by-step recipe, and plugged into the mentorship in the community, things changed. I went from being underpaid, overworked, and uncertain to building a daily income online and designing a life I actually love. If I can make that shift, so can you. The free PDF guide is waiting for you at the link in my bio. Grab it, put in your best email, and see the full overview. This isn't just information, it's a roadmap. Now, picture this. What if 3 months from now, instead of being in the same spot, you had your business running, content flowing, automations working, and daily mentorship guiding you? Where could you be? What debts could be gone? What freedom could you feel? Every day you wait is another day you stay stuck in the same cycle. Inflation isn't slowing down. Jobs aren't getting more secure. Side hustles that rely on trading time for money aren't going to set you free. You need leverage, automation, and mentorship. That's what this system gives you. Go to the link in my bio right now, download the free PDF guide, use your best email, check the overview, and reply if you have any questions. This could be the most important decision you make this year. The decision to finally stop settling and start building freedom on your terms. Because you weren't born just to work, pay bills, and hope for the weekends. You were born to live, to create, to experience freedom. This is your way to claim it.